How to make a poll on X. Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a poll on X social network. Here is how it looks. It's a great way to engage with your followers and get their opinions. Let's get started. Open the X app on your device. Enter your username and password to log in. I am already logged into my account. Tap the plus button at the bottom right. Then choose Post, located at the bottom. Tap on the poll icon, which looks like a bar chart. Write the text of your tweet. This can include a question or context for your poll. Add your poll options in the Choice 1 and Choice 2 fields. You can add up to 4 choices by tapping this plus button. Choose how long you want the poll to run. You can set the duration from 5 minutes up to 7 days. Here you can set up who can replay on this poll. Once you've added your poll options and set the duration, tap the Post button to post your poll. And that's it! You've successfully created a poll on X. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel for more useful guides.